In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Over here click on I accept in the pop-up, and as you can see, over here you can adjust all of your wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by selecting one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!